Hello everyone, my name is Arham. I'm from Singapore and I'm 12 years old, so I'm becoming 12. This is a showcase on my experience in YBite in this YBite Python course, and it's also gonna be about one of my projects that I've made through this course. So let's get started. So Python is a coding language that is easy to write and read. It is designed for general purposes and uses significant indentation to enhance code readability. So why did I like this course a lot? Well, I like the point this Python classes with our teacher Vinitzer. He's kind and helps us understand our issues. Even the website yby.in has very useful tools such as class notes, videos, and bonus questions that can help me grasp the concepts better and solve my problems. So, without further ado, let's get into one of my projects that I have made with this class. Okay, so this is called a shopping cart. Uh, this is a shopping cart project. I really like this this project because it really, you know, it really makes you think that you're purchasing something online. And yeah, it's really fun it was really fun to code, and it's really fun to use it as well. So if I click run, welcome to YY Shopping Center, and it gives you three items and its price respectively. So water is 18.99, juice is 120.99, and milkshakes 150.99 in R&R. So as you see here, there's one, two, three, respectively for each for each item, and it's asking us to enter from one to three to add an item. So I click one, then it'll add a water, and then it asks us how many waters do you want to purchase, like how many units do you want to purchase. So let's say three. If I want to add another purchase, then I can enter from one to three again. Let's say I want to add a juice, and how many? Maybe two. And let's say that's all. So I'll press four. So this is going to be my bill. This is going to show me what I purchased, how many of these things that I purchased, how much is one unit of this thing, and what's the total uh respectively. And then it'll tell us my grand total. So as you see here, I got one water. I got three waters, and for 80 INR, 99 um 80.99 INR each, which is 242.97 INR. And then juice, I bought two juices for 120.99 INR, which is 241.98 INR total. And my grand total is 484.95 INR. Now it says here if you want to purchase five something for 500 INR, like if I want my grand total to be 500 INR, then I'll get a 40% discount. And it gives me a choice whether I want to take this offer or not. Let's say I say yes. Then it'll give me three options. It can give me more, but it gave me three here. And it's saying that if I purchase one water, it will be 500 INR more, one juice, and one milkshake. So I can take water, I guess, because that's the cheapest. And my shopping cart is updated. So now I have to proceed to checkout. And now you see I got four waters now for 80.99, 323.96, and then it's the same thing. So now my total order is 564.94 INR. And the discount was a whopping 226 INR. And so now my order value was reduced to 339.56, but because of the tax rate increase, and then yeah, I still got a profit, I guess. But yeah, so that's my shopping cart. That's my shopping cart project. So thank you for listening to my presentation. Remember, as our teacher always says, always enjoy coding. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.
Thank you so much, Aram. That was a nice presentation. Can you just go back to the code window, please, if possible?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, right here. So very nicely presented, very cleanly, demonstrated all the things, and you can clearly see on the code how well you've structured it, right? It's not an easy
Yeah,
project because lots of lines of code, lots of logic goes into it, but very, very, very neatly articulated. Okay, so well done, and I'm glad that you like this. It's kind of realistic, as you know. Um,
yeah.
and illustrates while loop, illustrate if else, and and so on. So good one, really well done.
Thank you, sir.
Anybody has any
Thank you,
comments for
sir.
Aram?
Yes, sir. So, Arham, that was a very good project. I just want to ask this one thing. Like, where are the where's the code for the, like, if you have done any bonus idea, is there any code for it? I just wanted to see it.
Well, I have did this where I faced this problem with the total. So I was seeing this like last week, and you see, if I buy if let's say my so I did this exact same thing,
Yes.
but my total was a very irrational number. It's like 242.96.999. So I was trying to find out how to round it off, and I found the function and I rounded it off, but then still it wasn't working. Um then I found out that I have to do the grand total as well. I had to round the grand total and then everything else. So that made it 242.97, which is actually 80.99 times 3.
Wow. Yeah, I think Aram, there's a question on the comment, which is a very interesting question. How long did it take you to do all this and fixing all the errors and so on?
Mm, well, it took like so it the entire process was like uh right after the shopping cart project came was from then on till like last week
Mm.
I
So
was keep
it's,
on like doing it
yeah,
whenever I had the time. I would just hop onto Replit and just start
moving forward, let's say.
doing this, yeah. And then
Yeah.
if I had any difficulties and I really couldn't solve it, I would ask my dad, because he's also really experienced with this code. I don't really know how long it took,
Yeah.
but
But in short, a, a lot of work, let's say, right?
yeah, in
And
short,
that's, yeah.
yeah.
Now that's really, that shows in the clarity with which you presented, it kind of comes out, right? And also the way you've written the code, you want to just quickly run through the structure of the code. Just how does it, just very quickly say what are the big pieces of the code?
Okay, so this part isn't really that big.
Mm-hmm.
It's just it's just a layout. But over here is the price, 80.99 for water, this for juice, and this for milkshake. And then um so this just displays the price and the menu. And then
Yeah, this is the main loop, right? The main shopping loop while
yeah.
shopping complete. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so it will ask if my order is less than or equal to 3, then it'll say you selected this on based on what you ordered. And why did I have to -1? Because uh it starts with 0.
Zero.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Indexing starts on zero.
Yeah, so it's -1 so that it actually says what it is. So
Yeah.
yeah. If I said uh 2, then that would be -1, so 1.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then if if I do the same thing. Then I print this repeated purchase.
Yeah. Basically
And
figure out if
then
it's in the shopping cart or not, right? And accordingly
yeah,
proceed.
and
Yeah.
then and
Yeah.
then and then it'll just add back the quantity. So
Yeah.
if I said 3 waters here
Yeah.
and I get another water, then instead of saying water 3 and then another section for another water and then saying 1, it's just water 4.
Yeah. Correct.
Yeah. And then new purchase is just adding a new purchase. Yeah, basically.
Mhm.
And then this is the um when you're done with the shopping, then it will show all of this,
Yeah.
which is just uh what the unit price is and the total price is calculated, the grand total, and then this again is just the listing, it's just listing out
Yeah.
everything. And then if you got confused by whatever these are, these are just separators just to make it look more aesthetic.
Mm.
And yeah. So now we have this the discount.
Discount section. Yeah.
Yeah. So this just discounts it. If you do the calculation, it just discounts this. Everything is just for discount.
Correct.
Yeah. And I just use a tax rate for India, I think. 10 is the tax rate there, right?
Oh, India, there's
I
many tax rates actually. Yeah, there's
oh
depending on what you purchase. For food, it should be less. Yeah, but it's okay.
I'm not really up to
Yeah,
date for that
no,
because
that's okay. Yeah, tax is not 40, it's too high here, but yeah, it's okay. No problem. Yeah,
yeah.
no, that's okay. But that's just a number, right? But overall, very nicely done and quite nicely organized the code, logical and good one. Yeah. So Aram, it's so nice to see you make strides in this journey. You have been with us for a long while, and I can see how much you have come forward and how well you're moving. And it is a reflection of the hard work that you put in. Look at the time right now. For everybody's benefit, it's almost close to 11 p.m. for him. But so he joins at 10:30 in the night, right? Every class, and he's one of the most active students, right? Thinking through the project, asking very, very good questions. How much how much interest you have in this, how much drive you have in this, how much effort you put in this. And Aram, that is half, I would say 90% of the battle won, right? In fact, Aram and I also discussed about a project in Scratch, which he was doing for a competition for a school level competition. He came up with a beautiful project. In fact, I think I should share that with the students as well, right? It's so nicely done. And I believe it was even your teacher recognized to be one of the best projects out there, right? The best from your
Yeah.
school. Yeah. So that, really, Aram, keep it up. You have it in you, the hard work, the dedication, so keep programming, keep enjoying this process like the way you're doing, keep discussing, keep thinking, and I'll be more than happy to really take you forward in this journey. I am more than happy to take you forward in this journey. All right. So wish you all the very best. Keep it up and take care. And well,
Okay, thank you,
enjoy
sir.
programming. Okay. Well done. Thank you.